and girls, how are you? Welcome to our last native animal class of this week. Today we are going to talk about reptiles from San Luis. But first, let's remember the other categories of animals we saw this week. First, we saw mammals. Mammals have hair, they have warm blood, and they produce milk. An example of a mammal is the deer. The male deer has antlers. We also saw birds. Birds have wings. Birds have a beak. Birds lay eggs in a nest. And today we will talk about reptiles. Now, some of the characteristics of reptiles are they have scaly skin, like snakes and lizards. They lay eggs, similar to birds. And reptiles are cold-blooded or can change body temperature. The first reptile from San Luis we will mention today is the black and white Tabu lizard. The Tabu is an omnivore. An omnivore eats plants and animals. A carnivore eats animals. And a herbivore eats only plants. Tabu eats fruit, seeds, insects, spiders, snails, many different things. The second reptile native to San Luis we will talk about today is the pit viper. Sharara. The pit viper is a very dangerous, venomous snake. The pit viper eats birds and small mammals, and the pit viper can be found on farms in the San Luis area. Be careful if you see a pit viper. They are very dangerous. And another reptile from San Luis is the Argentine tortoise. The Argentine tortoise is a herbivore. A herbivore eats plants. This tortoise eats grass, fruit, and other plants. The tortoise has a hard shell on its back to protect against predators. The tortoise can hide inside its shell. That concludes our week of native animals of San Luis. I hope you enjoyed the classes and I hope you learned something. So remember to revise the classes because the information in the classes will be important for the competition at the end of the month. So go to the platform, revise the previous classes, and have a good weekend. Bye bye everybody.